In this quick video, I'll show you how to know what size my design is in Canva. We can easily determine our Canva design dimensions. What is the width and height of my design in pixel? I am Saif from DJ Whisper. Let's get into it. So first, open your design in Canva. So this is my design and I want to know what is the dimensions of my design. What is the width and height of my design. So first click here in the file section and you will get this option. Here is the dimension of your design. So the first option is the width and the second option is the height. So in this case, the width is 1280 pixel and height is 720 pixel. So this is very easy to know. How do I know what my design size is in Canva? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question or query, ask me below. I will read and reply your comment. Thank you so much.